Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to solve this equation involving combination. Okay, that is x combination 2 plus x combination 3 minus 4x is equal to 0. Now we are going to use a theorem, right, that n combination r plus n combination r minus 1, this will be equal to n plus 1 combination r. So this will increase by 1, and then you take the largest one among this. So per this theorem, x combination 2 plus x combination 3 will then be x plus 1 combination 3. So the whole expression or equation becomes n plus 1 x plus 1 combination 3 minus 4x is equal to 0. So let's simplify this one. This implies that x plus 1 factorial over x plus 1 minus 3 factorial minus 4x is equal to 0. So we have x plus 1 factorial over x minus 2 factorial. Then 3 factorial is 6 minus 4x is equal to 0. So to continue, we have x minus 2 factorial here. So we need to expand the numerator so that we get x minus 2 factorial. When we do that, these will cancel so that you'll be free to continue with your question. Now remember, n factorial is the same as n times n minus 1 factorial, which is equal to n times n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, and on and on and on. So the equation becomes x plus 1 x minus 1, and then x minus 2 factorial over x minus 2 factorial 6 minus 4x, which is equal to 0. So this will cancel that, so that you have x plus 1 x minus 1 x minus, let's multiply 2 by 6. So we have 24x is equal to 0. And this is difference of two squares. So we are going to have x times x squared minus 1 minus 24x, which is equal to 0. Now we can multiply. So we have x cubed minus x minus 24x is equal to 0. When we simplify further, we are getting x cubed minus 25x is equal to 0. Now to go ahead, let's bring one of the x out. So x, we have x squared minus 25, which is equal to 0. This is also a difference of two squares. In that case, we have x plus 5, x minus 5 is equal to 0. If we have something like this, it means that x is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. We then find the value of x at each stage. So here x is minus 5, here x is 5. Now from the question, we were told that x is a positive integer. So since x is a positive integer, then our x is equal to 5. X cannot be 0. X cannot be minus 5. Viewers, thank you very much for your time. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye for now.